The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2021 through 2024 Cadillac Escalade with the factory flush side rails. We've just installed the Thule Wingbar Evo flush rail complete rack system. This is using the 60-inch long Wingbar Evo load bars in black, as shown here, but silver is also available. The Evo flush rail foot pack and vehicle-specific fitting kit 186117. Overall, you have a carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, and crossbars can be mounted along the length of the side rail. So a great rack system for different types of gear and accessories, cargo boxes, kayaks, all sorts of different types of gear. But this has been a quick look for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase the complete system with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one. Like always, thanks for watching.